Today, we're gonna do a quesabirria. This is a really fun dish, a street food from Mexico that's really catching on in the US. Today, we're using butterball turkey thigh roast. It's a great alternative to pork or beef. What's really cool about this dish is that it uses two Mexican street foods, a quesadilla and a birria. And when those two are combined, we take that with a little garnish and we actually dip it into a tasty consomme that we've used to cook the turkey thigh roast in. The first thing I'm gonna do is make the Colorado paste. That's the base of our quesabirria. In order to do that, we have 3 different chilies. So we have pasilla, arbol, and guajillo. Pasilla is gonna give us that rich, deep, earthy, smoky flavor. Arbol is where our heat's gonna come from. There's a little bang of heat with those. And then on the guajillo, we get a nice, smooth, robust flavor. In the chilies, go into some boiling water all at once, and you can leave the stems and the seeds. And we're going to take a plate just to weight them down and place that on top. Once you get them submerged, you can turn your heat off and set them aside. So these chilies have soaked for 30 minutes. I've drained them, and then I've removed the seeds and the stems. So to make the paste, we're going to add some turkey stock or water, the chilies, onion, just cut into slices, garlic, and a teaspoon of salt. The key to this salsa is making a nice, smooth paste. And now we're gonna begin to make the birria, the stew part of this dish. So I'm heating a pan until it's nice and hot, and then I'm going to add some vegetable oil. And we're going to add our onion and split garlic cloves. One of the key components to this birria is making sure that we char the onion and garlic. The reason that we char the onion is it gives us a nice, deep, earthy flavor in the birria. When we get to that step, we want to add our Colorado paste. When you add this, you're gonna notice that it starts to sizzle and pop a little bit, and that's good. We want to actually fry the paste now. So here we have our butterball turkey thigh roast. I really love using this product. The great thing about it is it's fully cooked, which makes it super easy for food service, and it breaks apart very easily with the hands. Now that I've broken this thigh roast apart, I'm going to add it and the juice to my Colorado paste. The juice comes with it, and it's gonna go straight in the pot. Now we're gonna go in with the spices. I have Mexican oregano, cumin, cinnamon sticks, whole bay leaf, and cloves. Now I'm going to add the turkey stock, or you can use water, and I'm going to stir that to combine. Now, although the turkey pieces are fully cooked, we want to simmer this for about 45 minutes to an hour to absorb those delicious flavors into the meat. So here I have the turkey thigh roast that has been simmered in this beautiful birria, and then we simply strained it and shredded it. Super easy to do. I'm also ready with my turkey birria consomme. So it's got this great turkey flavor, the taste of the chilies and the cinnamon and the spices, and that's gonna be served on the side of our quesabirria. So we're going to heat our tortillas on a flat griddle. We're using Oaxacan cheese. It's a delicious variety of a string type cheese. Once the cheese has begun to melt around the edges, we'll top each one with another tortilla, pressing down slightly. We're going to flip them over. Oh, look at that. And when you flip those to the other side, you're going to bring in your turkey and just rewarm it a little. Great, so now we're going to be putting this delicious turkey birria, and we'll top it with a little bit of garnish, but don't cover everything up. You want to see some of that. This fun mashup of 2 Mexican street foods is craveably delicious and simple to make.